1. What is the primary duty of an F-04 Fireguard? A. To operate fire suppression systems. B. To patrol and monitor premises for fire hazards. C. To train building occupants on firefighting. D. To install fire alarms and sprinklers. 2. An F-04 Fireguard license is specifically required in which type of occupancy? A. Residential apartment buildings. B. Public assembly spaces without a fire alarm system. C. Homeless shelters. D. Restaurants with over 100 occupants. 3. Which NYC agency issues the F-04 Fireguard Certificate of Fitness? A. Department of Buildings. B. Fire Department of New York, FDNY. C. Department of State. D. OSHA. 4. When conducting fire watch, a fireguard must carry which essential item? A. A sprinkler wrench. B. A portable flashlight. C. A valid certificate of fitness card. D. A carbon monoxide detector. 5. What is the maximum time a fireguard can leave their post unattended? A. 15 minutes. B. 10 minutes. C. 5 minutes. D. Never. 6. What should a fireguard do if a fire alarm sounds during their watch? A. Silence the alarm to avoid panic. B. Evacuate immediately without informing anyone. C. Notify the fire department and assist in evacuation. D. Wait to confirm if it is a false alarm. 7. Which of the following must be recorded in a fireguard's logbook? A. Weather conditions. B. Visitors entering the building. C. Time of patrols and fire conditions observed. D. Employee attendance. 8. A logbook used by a fireguard must be A. Handwritten or printed, with permanent entries. B. Editable by computer software. C. Stored electronically only. D. Optional. 9. What is the appropriate action if a fireguard discovers a blocked exit door? A. Clear the obstruction immediately. B. Inform building management and note in logbook. C. Ignore if the blockage is temporary. D. Remove the door entirely. 10. The certificate of fitness card must be A. Carried by the fireguard only when on duty. B. Posted on the building's main entrance. C. Carried by the fireguard at all times while on duty. 11. Which fire extinguisher type is appropriate for electrical fires? A. Water. B. Foam. C. CO2 or dry chemical. D. Wet chemical. 12. Fireguards are responsible for ensuring that A. Sprinkler systems are replaced monthly. B. Fire alarm systems are functioning properly. C. Fire extinguishers are always hidden. D. Fire drills are canceled. 13. What is the minimum age requirement for an F-04 Fireguard license applicant? A. 18 years old. B. 21 years old. C. 16 years old. D. 25 years old. 14. How long is an F-04 certificate of fitness valid before renewal is required? A. 2 years. B. 3 years. C. 4 years. D. 5 years. 15. The acronym PASS used in fire extinguisher operation stands for A. Pull, aim, squeeze, sweep. B. Press, alert, spray, stop. C. Push, aim, spray, suppress. D. Pull, alarm, sweep, save. 16. What is the first step a fireguard should take upon discovering a fire? A. Attempt to extinguish it immediately. B. Activate the fire alarm and notify the FDNY. C. Evacuate without notifying anyone. D. Wait for instructions from management. 17. Which of the following is not a duty of the fireguard? A. Maintaining a fire logbook. B. Conducting fire drills. C. Monitoring exits and fire hazards. D. Repairing fire alarm wiring. 18. What is the penalty for working as a fireguard without a valid certificate of fitness? A. No penalty if supervised. B. A warning only. C. Fines and possible arrest. D. Suspension from employment only. 19. During fire watch, how often should patrols be conducted in a high-rise building? A. Every 15 minutes. B. Every 30 minutes. C. Every 60 minutes. D. Once per day. 20. What color are portable fire extinguishers typically painted? A. Yellow. B. Black. C. Red. D. Blue. 21. A fireguard is most likely to be assigned during which condition? A. When the fire alarm or sprinkler system is out of service. B. When the building has less than 10 occupants. C. During holidays only. D. When the building is under construction only. 22. Which extinguisher is best for a kitchen grease fire? A. Water. B. Foam. C. Class K extinguisher. D. CO2. 23. What is the main purpose of fire drills? A. To test fireguard skills. B. To ensure occupants know evacuation procedures. C. To allow the FDNY to issue fines. D. To check sprinkler pressure. 24. A fireguard must be able to identify all of the following except A. Fire exits. B. Locations of fire extinguishers. C. Locations of electrical panels. D. Locations of vending machines. 25. Which document must a fireguard present during an FDNY inspection? A. Driver's license only. B. Valid certificate of fitness card. C. Employee ID card. D. Training certificate only. 26. Fireguards must ensure that all exit doors A. Are locked from the inside. B. Swing outward in the direction of egress. C. Remain partially blocked. D. Stay closed and chained. 27. Who is responsible for providing fire safety training to fireguards? A. The building tenants. B. The FDNY only. C. The employer. D. The state legislature. 28. Fire extinguishers must be inspected at least A. Once per day. B. Once per month. C. Once every 6 months. D. Once per year. 29. A multi-purpose dry chemical extinguisher is usually rated for which classes of fire? A. Class A only. E. Class A, B, and C. C. Class B only. D. Class D only. 30. When a fire alarm system is out of service for more than 4 hours in a 24-hour period, a fireguard must do A. Leave the building until it is repaired. B. Immediately notify the FDNY and implement fire watch. C. Shut down the sprinkler system as well. D. Ignore the outage. 31. What should a fireguard do if they discover a fire extinguisher that has been tampered with? A. Note it in the logbook and continue patrol. B. Remove it from the premises. C. Report it immediately and ensure replacement. D. Attempt to repair it personally. 32. In the event of smoke in a hallway, a fire guard should A. Open all windows immediately. B. Alert occupants, notify FDNY, and direct evacuation. C. Ignore if smoke is light. D. Use a water extinguisher without checking the source. 33. When conducting fire watch, the fire guard must ensure which condition of stairwells. A. Stairwells may contain storage if locked. B. Stairwells must remain clear and unobstructed. C. Stairwells may be used for temporary seating. D. Stairwells can be closed during non-peak hours. 34. The most effective method of fire prevention is A. Conducting routine patrols and inspections. B. Installing additional fire extinguishers. C. Relying solely on fire drills. D. Waiting for FDNY inspections. 35. If a fire guard is assigned during sprinkler system outage, they must patrol. A. Only the ground floor. B. All affected floors and areas. C. Only exits and stairwells. D. Only mechanical rooms. 36. Who has the authority to revoke a fire guard's certificate of fitness? A. Employer. B. FDNY. C. Department of Buildings. D. OSHA. 37. The best time to use a portable fire extinguisher is A. On a large spreading fire. B. When the fire is small and contained. C. Only after FDNY arrives. D. During fire drills only. 38. A Class D extinguisher is used for A. Flammable liquids. B. Combustible metals. C. Electrical fires. D. Cooking oils.